Okay, guys, I've just finished proving a point this week. I don't show my personal data too much. I try not to, because it doesn't benefit you at all. It's likewise, I'll never ask to see yours either. But I saw a thing like about compounding, but this was triggered by someone who clearly is not suited for trading. I was told at the beginning of the week that it's a waste of time. Nobody makes any money. You have to sit there for hours on end, and if you do, it's just pointless exercise. And that was it. And you kind of know, because you've seen it with the downvotes and all that. And we know we've been through merry mayhem with people like that. I kind of understand there'll always be an element that are never going to make it and don't like being told that. For me, if I show you a process, which I do, and it's a process I've followed for a very long time, I can only show you what I do. Now, this week you've been interested because I've done very well. And I purposely made a point of going, right, okay, I'll work this like a madman, but I'll work it with a plan, and we'll see whether it goes catastrophically wrong. Well, I don't think it has. 200 to over £2,000 from about the 14th when I came back from holiday weekend of the 11th. 234 positions, 95% hit rate. Can't go wrong with that. All right. Position sizes have stayed in and around 50p. The odd one's gone to £1, but I'm allowed to. Okay. And they're all here documented. But my spreadsheet's one thing. This is something else. So flick that over. And we'll just go all history. So I can pull this up to the start. There's the balance coming in. You saw me set this account up. And then away we go. Now, there is a difference here. Now, I'll quickly show you that. If we go back to the beginning, this, all right, it's a move, but there's no big moves in it. It's just a sustained directional move. And I was staying within my normal confines, pound JPY, etc. on the start. But then when we came into this week, we had some colossal moves that create massive opportunity in the market. Now, it's not necessarily compounding. It's working zone to zone. But if you go a golden eye from that level to that level, that is colossal. Then you get another one from there down to there. That is big move as well. And you can see all these. And all I'm ever doing is, at the top of the hour, I'm either buying or selling. If it tells me to wait, I'm going to buy it low. If it tells me it's ready to go, I'll count back 5-minute candles, work out the fractal, go either side of it, and then go from a level to a level using golden eye principles. Strong drives, I'll use sort of Kylie fibs. There's one there. Moved it slightly, but you can see it from the top, and it's come down to the bottom of that spike there. So that spike created an opportunity, stayed inside, and I was able to work this. And then you move, and then I've been working these as well. And you've seen me do it all week. Okay. So if I come back to this, you'll start seeing down here. Keep an eye on the reds. 50 pences. Don't get it right all the time, but I had enough in the tank to cover that. That was a particularly bad day. Comes down. That one was paid by that. That one was paid by that. That one was paid by that. Come down. These two, that one paid that one paid that one. These are all madness principles. That was paid by that. Loads and loads of blue, blue, blue. That was paid by that. Blue, 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 blue. £2,000. Moral of the story here. Stuck to a plan right the way through it. Didn't deviate, didn't do anything. I stuck to the plan. Top of the hour. Is it ready? Yes or no? Yes. Right. Am I waiting? Yeah. Right. I'll let it pull back on itself. Where am I getting out? Next level. Is there any petrol left in the tank? Yeah. Quick assessment on the 5-minute chart. change things. Is it still there? Yeah, right, we're going again, right? Bang, 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 bang. And I did it purposely to prove a point, because somebody changes what I do, then complains they're not making any money. You tell me, who's the idiot? Me, obviously. But that's why you see the downvotes coming in. If you're gambling, going into the market without a plan, holding on to your losses, because that's the other thing. Madness is 2 fixed points. It should be exactly the same as 100% going to market. If you have a natural 40 pips stop, just madness into 40 pips. If you've got a natural 20 pips stop, madness into 20 pips. It pays off. Okay? You want to go 100% to market? Go 100% to market. Don't bother me. You know. But what I will say is, don't tell me something doesn't work when I've done it for nearly 20 years and it's honed into what you see. I go to market when I'm comfortable and it's ready. I don't do what you guys do by just searching and jumping from asset to asset to asset to asset, hunting down a trade and then crying and complaining when it doesn't work. In that set there, you saw 2 products and both of them were carefully monitored. I didn't jump from hundreds of assets. I hope that makes sense. I think I proved my point. You'll either like it or you won't. And I can't change that.